Unlock a new level of control. Meet the MSI Liberator, a programmable RGB foot switch designed to expand control beyond your keyboard and mouse. Add a new dimension to your arsenal with 3 fully programmable inputs strategically located for fast reactions. Match the speed of high-performance gaming mice with blazing 100-millisecond response times. Intuitive software allows you to map virtually any key or macro, ensuring compatibility across all PC games. Create an immersive experience by programming character actions. Communicate with teammates instantly with push-to-talk functionality. Declutter keyboard commands and boost focus with single-push macros. And capture your best moments without lifting a finger. Ergonomically designed at 8 degrees and lightly treaded for secure grip. Select from 3 interchangeable rubberized magnetic caps to customize your fit. Galvanized steel framing and dual injection molded plastic reinforce the weighted base for rock-solid control. With versatile, multi-platform compatibility, the Liberator goes beyond gaming. Enhance your video editing, streamline music recording, hack your coding time. The possibilities are limitless. Expand even further with up to 4 Liberators daisy-chained for maximum versatility. Integrate seamlessly into your setup with a suite of programmable RGB lighting effects. Step up your game. Find the edge. Take control.